put the zipper in the top of your bag, take your zipper, lay it out, making it 2 inches longer than the actual bag. So I've got 1, 2, so I'm going to cut this at 2 inches longer. Now I've cut a 2-inch piece of bias, and I'm going to open this out, and I'm going to place this across the end of my zipper. And I'm going to completely, it's kind of hard to see because I know it's black, but if I open out this bias, so I'm going to open out that end like so, and I'm going to place it right across that raw edge. I'm going to place that right across that cut edge of the zipper, and then I'm going to stitch on the fold line. Okay, so I've got my zipper tape face down, and I've opened out my bias, so, and placed the raw edge along the cut edge of the zipper itself, and then I'm going to just go ahead and stitch along through that fold like so. Fold one end in like so, hold that with a clip, fold the other end in, and then I'm going to fold the whole edge over so it's completely covering the end of that zipper tape. Oops. So it's folded in and then folded back on itself. So we're going to finish off that zipper tape. Just like so. And we're going to stitch through all of that. And holding that all together. And that gives you your finished zipper tape. So I'm going to mark this because we're still going to put the bias on the edge here, but I want to leave some of this open for the zipper. Okay, so I'm going to leave myself about 1 inch. So I'm going to mark it 1 inch here, and I'm going to mark it 1 inch over here because we got 2 sides of the zipper, right? Okay. And I'm going to open up my zipper. It's just easier. You don't have to, it's just, but it is easier. Okay, and I'm going to place, so I'm going to place my raw edge, that's the cut edge, right against the edge here on my bag and in line with my second line of stitching on my bag. And I'm just going to hold that into place. All right. And again, I'm using my zipper foot. I've still got it in the center position, which will work fine for what I'm doing. And I want to ride the edge of my foot against the edge of my zipper tape mount. My zipper is face down, so my coil here is going to go against the bag. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and stitch this through like so. And I'm just going to back stitch as I get to that white mark to finish it off. Now we'll do the other side. Do my back stitch. Clip my thread, and I've got that finished. Now we're going to go ahead and turn the bag right side out. out, and it closes our little bag up, just like so. And you've got your project bag ready to go.